So hey guys, and today in this video I'll show you that how to detect brand names from an image. So this is the basically code which we are using. The modules are the same which we installed in the previous video. So loading all these, then we have to create a new resource. But I haven't deleted the previous one yet. So what it's going to benefit me. Either way, the name is anything. We just want the key and the endpoint. So here, AI 102 landmarks. We don't care from the name. We made this in previous video. The only thing we want is key and the endpoint. So the key will be pasted here. Endpoint will be pasted here, right here. Then now let me explain the code to you first. So it is asking for the subscription key and endpoint because we are using the Azure module, which is a cloud-based service. Actually, Azure is a cloud-based service. Uh, so we have to call the API key and the endpoint to call the resource from the Azure portal. So that all the accessibility is in our code now. Now we are calling the computer vision client through the subscription key and endpoint. So it basically identifies that what subscription key and endpoint are being used and how are they being used. So this is a kind of heading. Then we get an image. We will detect the brands. Remote image features is brands. Then uh, we want to detect the we want to detect the brands and analyze image. Both the we want to analyze the remote image URL and the remote image features. So brands is the something we are calling right now, and remote image URL means the image we are calling from the web. So if detecting brand it is saying detecting brands means this is in process to notify the user basically. And if len detect brands results remote.brands is equals to 0, means the length of the list where we stored all the brand names has no value, is null or 0. So it says no brands detected. Else if brand and detect brands, so for brand and detect when means brand is the index value or loop value to every one of the value in the list. Okay, so this says through format method we are calling everything and filling these gaps. Now the same here, but we are using a local image path. Just this path, gray shirt logo, this is the image which I used for the this was the same image used for the remote. So now the same thing, we are printing it and a new last line to keep the formatting clean. Now it should return something, right? Now in remote image it says Microsoft with brand detected at location. So this is giving us the proper location with a bounding box being shown. So this is the perfect location of that, and the confidence score is 62.5. And now Microsoft brand detected with confidence 69.8% at the location. These are the access. And we are now using the local image, which is this one, gray shirt logo. Let me show you this. So where's that? Okay, so the wrong one was played actually. uh, so again, my actually that terminal was closed for some reason. And detect brands is local, means we are accessing the local image now, and same because the images are same. So this is the local image, this is the remote image, and this is it for the series. and for this video. So I'll see you next time with new video of another series, because the computer vision through Python and Azure Cognitive Services is now ended. So thank you for watching our videos, and if you like this, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.